nilikuwa chini, dunia ikaniambia siwezi, lakini ndani yangu kulikuwa moto usiozima easily. Every step I take, I hear them doubt my name, but I turn pain into power. I'm rising through the rain. Ndoto zangu si mchezo, zimeandikwa na machozi. Kila usiku nikianguka, naamka nikiwa na nguvu mpya rohoni. They say you can make it, I said watch me prove it right. From the dark into the light, I'm ready for this fight. Sauti za ndani zinaniambia endelea. Even when the world says give up, I say no way. This is my moment, I feel it in my soul. I won't stop, I won't fold. Rise above, don't you ever give up. Ndoto zako ni nguvu, zishike kama fire in your blood. Even when they doubt you, keep your vision above. This is your time, this is your love. Rise above, shine like the morning sun. Kila struggle ni darasa, keep running till it's done. You were born for greatness, don't let it come undone. Keep going till you become the one. Nilianza bila kitu, only hope in my chest. Now I'm chasing every dream, I refuse to rest. Kila hapana niliambiwa ilinifanya kuwa strong. Now I turn every failure into a victory song. Hustle every night, I don't sleep, I just build. Dreams don't come easy, but I know they're real. If I fall, I stand again, no surrender in my veins. I was made for this journey, I embrace the pain. Even if the world turns cold on me, I will still believe what I'm meant to be. From the dust I rise, I break every chain. My dreams will live through the storm and rain. Rise above, feel the fire inside. Ndoto zako zinakuita. Don't run, don't hide. Every step is progress, every tear is pride. Keep moving forward, let your spirit collide. Rise above, don't you ever give in. You are stronger than the voice within. This is your story.